Drumsticks. 3 tablespoons chili sauce. 3 tablespoons soya sauce. 2 tablespoons vinegar. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Mix well. Marinate for 2 to 3 hours. 2 cup all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Mix well. Coat in flour mixture. Dip in water. Again, coat in flour mixture.
Medium hot oil. Fry on medium to low flame until crispy and light golden brown.